Hi everyone, welcome to Peacock Way, welcome to my channel. In today's project, I will be doing mixed media art journal. Before that, I request you guys to please subscribe if you like my videos. Click on the thumbs up icon and also leave your comments below. Today's project, I'll be using the stamp. It is from Woodware collection, and then I'll be using the stamps from Studio Light, and then I'll be using some of these stencils. They are from Crafters Workshop, and I think the other ones are I don't know the names. I'll be using Distress Oxide inks, these two colors for the background, and also the green. Then I'll be using archival ink for the stamps, and this is my focal point. So let's have fun. Now that the background is ready, I'm using stencil, and I'm going to spray on that different color. And then I'm also using two different kinds of stencils, and do the same thing. I'm turning the stencil, and that also gives another texture. So now that it is done, I'm going to dry it, and once it gets dry, then I can use stamps on that. Now I'm going to put these stamps and I'm not going to make it too dark. I'm going to keep it subtle. Then I'll be using different stamp on that. That is from Tim Holtz stamp. Here I'm using again Tim Holtz stamp. And this is the another Tim Holtz stamp again I'm using. They are very good and I enjoy using them. And then I'm using the Studio Light stamp now. Now that it's all dry, I'm putting another stamp. Now that I finished using all the stamps, now I will use stencil and I'll be using molding paste. I will be back after the molding paste gets dried up. Now it's all dry, and I'm going to use red color and white color and spray water on that and splatter on the background. Now is that all dry? I'm going to stick the focal point. This is also again a Sizzix butterfly die, and it's very beautiful and big. And I'm going to be using the butterfly as the focal point. I'm just placing it in the center, but I still want all the stamps and the molding paste to be seen. So now I'm going to put a word coat, and I'm going to stick those letters. Now that I finished sticking the letters, and now I'm going to highlight in it. I'm going to post close-up pictures in the end of the video, and I would say now that it's all done. I would say the project is complete. If you like my videos, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon so I can post more videos, and I will see you in my next video with a new project. Thanks. Bye.